Welcome, I'm an HTC Desire 628, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up obviously your settings. From here, we're gonna scroll down to Backup and Reset. Then you want to select Reset Phone. This will show you a couple things that it will remove. So as you can see, things like your Google account, downloaded apps, music, photos, videos, and some data. So that's probably not important. Downloaded apps is also not important. Probably the most important part will be right here. So music, photos, and videos. Anything personal that you have put on the device yourself that is on the memory itself. So anyway, if you want to preserve some of those things, do make a backup copy of it right now before you begin. And for everybody else that has already done so or simply doesn't want to, click on OK. And again, OK. And this will begin the process. Now this will take probably a couple minutes to finish up. And once it has, we will then be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.